Welcome to Clinton's Worldwide Geographic Animals. And, this is all about walking sticks. So, yeah.
Did you know that walking sticks are in every country except Antarctica? And also, walking sticks aren't only brown, but they can be green, blue, and so on. And, by the way, let me show you about the video. Oh, and one more thing. They also carry babies on their back. So you will see that in the video. So I'll show you. And also it kind of works as a camouflage for the baby, like a little shield camouflage. So now we can
Walking!
He's walking, he's carrying his baby on top too. There she is.
It's like a little camouflage.
Yeah. In the end, pretty cool.
I wonder if he was sleeping before.
Oh, there, look.
Oh, no, it still goes. It was about to stop. Oh, another one.
Oh,
That's
wow,
the one
maybe
I
that's
saw.
the one you saw. Look,
Yeah,
it's a mommy and a daddy. Does that one have a baby on its back too? That one does too.
I wonder if they got hit by the thing. No, she's alive.
Yeah, wow, cool, huh? There they go.
We could make a National Geographic Clinton style.
Yeah.
They mostly live in temperate tropical regions. Also, they're mostly in hot, like tropical forests. Florida isn't that much of a tropical forest, but it's close because it has a lot of trees and it does have forests. So, Clinton saw one in a forest. Well, not really, it was by a forest. They were out on the sidewalk, as you saw, bike riding. So, yes. Now, let's get to someone I exactly hope.
Hey, Austin Smith here, and welcome to Focus on Species. Let's talk about stick insects.
Also commonly known as walking sticks or stick bugs, stick insects are an order of insects that include over 3,000 known species, with many more specimens yet to be formally described by biologists. As their name indicates, these insects are shaped in the form of various plant branches or sticks, the perfect camouflage to blend into their environment from predators. Some species are also shaped to resemble leaves. Many sway back and forth in an effort to mimic the effects of the wind and the plant they're standing on as well. All of this helps to protect them from the birds, reptiles, and small mammals that prey upon them. Stick insects can be found all over the world in warmer climates, each species suited to the type of vegetation that it lives on and eats. Because of their incredible camouflage, stick insects can often be extremely difficult to spot, but when they are discovered, they're an interesting animal to observe.
So we're out near the San Pedro River in Cochise County, Arizona, and came across this stick insect here. It's got perfect camouflage, hiding into all the twigs.
Like all insects, stick insects have 6 legs, and many others, like this species, have long flexible antennae on their heads that help them to feel their way through their environment. Only discovered in 2008, the Chan's megastick insect from Southeast Asia is the longest insect species in the entire world, reaching lengths of over 22 inches. Stick insect reproduction varies between species, and some females can lay eggs without needing to mate. Eggs from virgin mothers are entirely female and exact genetic clones of their mother. Other species that sexually reproduce, such as this mating pair of southern two-striped walking sticks, show sexual dimorphism where the males are substantially smaller than the females. Mating behavior is notable in stick insects because of how long they couple in a single mating act. A record among insects, one mating pair from India was recorded to have sex for 79 days straight at one time. Competition between males may explain the long duration of pairing, as males try to guard females from other potential mates. Some competing males will even hide and wait for the sexually active male to get hungry, which forces him to dismount the female, leave for a moment, and find something to eat before returning to the act. While the dominant male is off taking a snack break to ease his case of the munchies, the hidden male takes his own chance at the female, crawling on top of her in the other male's absence. After mating is finally over, the female lays anywhere from 100 to 1,200 eggs, depending on the species. The eggs of stick insects are unique little capsules, resembling seeds in their size and shape. They have hard shells and come in all different kinds of unique designs and colors. Their resemblance to seeds helps attract ants, which will carry the eggs in various directions, ensuring dispersal of the species. On average, nymphs take about 20 to 30 days to hatch and emerge from a lid-like trapdoor from the egg case. Adulthood is reached after a few months of growing and molting, the insects browsing on various kinds of vegetation throughout their lives. Lifespans range from less than a year to over 2 years in some species. Stick insects are essential to the ecosystems of many tropical forests, creating light gaps in trees for other animals by eating away at leaves. Their droppings, which are large for insects, also help to fertilize the soil for young trees. In some parts of the world, they're seen as a menace to crops, eating away at economically important plants. In some parts of the United States, large outbreaks of stick insects have left large stands of trees ravaged in parks. Ultimately, however, the stick insects are an important part of forest ecosystems across the world, also acting as a huge source of food for a number of birds and other animals. While many species are common, there are some that are critically endangered, like the Lord Howe Island stick insect, also known as the tree lobster. The animal is thought to have gone extinct in 1930 after it went missing on its home of Lord Howe Island, a small island to the east of the Australian mainland. People had been using the large insects as bait for fishing, and when rats were introduced to the island, the last of the animals were eaten. 71 years later, in 2001, however, the species was rediscovered on a tiny rock islet nearby that had just enough vegetation to keep them alive. When they were rediscovered, there were only 24 individuals still alive, making them the rarest insect in the world at the time. Since 2001, captive breeding programs by zoos have saved the remnant number from extinction, and there are now thousands of the species in captivity. Unlike the Lord Howe Island stick insect, other species of stick insects are very common, and several species are often used in laboratories and even kept as pets. So next time you're walking around outside, take a look at the bushes and trees around you, and you may be surprised to discover that one of the branches is moving, with 6 legs and 2 eyes staring back at you.
Bye! That's the end of National Geographic Clinton style. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss another video. And if you look at the other guy's channel and if you see this, then make sure to like and subscribe to his too, because we'll be using his videos in our National Geographic too. So, yeah.